Hello, my name is Les Durant, and I'm in Mineral Bluff, Georgia. And today I'm going to do a podcast on how to catch UFOs. And a lot of people think I'm on meth, or think I'm a creep, or think I'm a drug head, or whatever. Um, I'm not. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through some of the steps on what it takes to um, get to watch UFOs. Okay, so you can actually post a comment if you like. That would be great. And I would just like to let you know that you can do that. If you have any questions on what I'm doing, of course, do that as well. Okay, so first of all, here's what we got to do. You got to find an old cell phone. All right, this is my collection. I've been doing this for 3 years. All right, so you get yourself an old cell phone because the cameras still work. Okay, once you get your cell phone out, then what you're going to do is you're going to get some Velcro. Okay, put it on the back of all your phones. Okay, once you do that, then you got to have a way to prop up your camera so you can see the sky. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully you can hear me. So I'm going to add this to the stage, and this is actually going to be me. All right. So what you're going to see right now is me walking out to the area where I have my stuff set up. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. Okay, can turn. Oops, sorry. See if I can maybe turn this around a little bit. If not, I'll just show you. Okay. All right. Here's how I have my phone set up, and my got my camera over here. This is my security camera. This is my regular camera, and then I have this phone right here set up. Okay. And I'm going to open up the software on it. Then after I do that, there we go. Sometimes these phones are kind of tricky. It's all right. Oh, well, okay. That's fine. We're not going to use this one though. That's okay. Things happen. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and well, here, let's just do this anyway. Just going to give you an example. Okay. Now this is how you set up your phone. You can aim this up to the sky just like this, and I'm going to prop it up. All right. Come around here, and I'm going to aim it up, and I'm going to hit record. Set it up just like this. And of course, we're live, so things happen. I'm going to put my phone down. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see it. Okay. Okay. All right. So the point is with this actually is to where you can actually see the sky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back. So kind of, you have an idea of where my stuff is. So let's take a look. Okay, this is my sky. It's kind of cloudy. Okay. All right, not a problem. Now this is my first time doing this, so I apologize. Of course, we're gonna have glitches. We're gonna have all this fun stuff. All right. I'm gonna turn this off, and I'll come back to my other one. Okay. All right. Okay, so we had a little bit of a glitch there. That's not a problem. All right, now what I'm going to do is once you get your phone set up and all that set up, then what you need to do is you need to download your apps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the App Store, or not the App Store. I'm going to actually go to Google Play Store. Okay, first thing that you need to do is hello, if there's somebody watching, hello. All right, here's what you're going to do. You got to download a few different apps. The first one that I want you to get is Sky Map. Just like this, Sky Map. Okay, it looks just like this. Use this one. It's free. So we're going to open it up. All right. Now, not all phones have the gyro on it, the gyroscope. So, okay. All right. And there's Castor, Athena. There's Beetlejuice. Okay. All right. So now that we got that, we're going to close this out. Then what I want you to do is I want you to find a program called Manual Camera. So let's go back to the Play Store and type it in. Manual Camera. All right. And do you see these down here? Those are the ones that I want you to get. Okay. So you're going to get the I have the paid for version, but the light version works well. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Open. I like Manual Camera because, see, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. All right. Let's go for the settings, though. This is the main point about this. So settings. We're going to scroll up. Image quality, 100%. Image format, JPEG. Okay, enable location, that's fine. Video bit rate. Okay, so you want to get the highest one that your camera can do. So we're going to click on this, 100 MPS, and video frame rate. Okay, now my camera will do 120, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to try maybe 60. If not, 30 works fine. Okay, and I apologize. And I've got my shirt on today, ADHD, so I'm kind of go all over the place. All right, let's go down to this right here. This is the main point. Save folder location. Okay, now if you have an SD card, that's great. Use external storage, turn that on. Here is where this comes into play. This is what you always do. I don't know why people use their phones up and down. I don't know why, because we watch TV on big screens in landscape mode. Always, 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 always use landscape mode. Always. Okay, everything looks good on this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and let's go back. We're going to set the time. Okay, maximum video duration. Let's click on that. Okay, 45 minutes. That's fine. What this will do, and this is the reason why I like this, is because you will have, you've got your video frame rate set up, but you have the times, and it will actually set these up in chunks. Okay, so let's just record a little something really quick. All right, it's very beautiful. All right, I'm gonna maybe turn this down a little bit. Oh, and good thing about this is you can kind of mess around with it. There we go. Come on, you. Okay, if you want to do that, that's fine. Okay, there we go. Hey, now I'm going to actually take this. You're not going to be able to hear me. Oh, thank you, Woo Riders. Happy Father's Day too. Yes, that's right. Happy Father's Day. I'm going to take this out to the out to where I get. You're not going to be able to hear me, but what you will see is how I do this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, thank you so much. All right, now that we've got this, I'm going to record. All right, so it is recording. Oh, series camera error. Well, that's fine. That's probably because I am using it in this chat. In this chat, that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about another um, way to get your files after you've recorded them. So let's take a look at that. Let me remove this. Okay. So what you're going to do is after you've got your stuff set up, what you're going to do is you're going to take your phone, and this is how you get your files. So I'm going to actually share my full screen. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay. I am using the free version of StreamYard. And let's do the entire screen. Okay. Share. All right. This is my entire screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in using a charge cord. Just like this. Okay. Then you're going to plug it into your computer. After you plug it into your computer, I'm going to say hi. Thank you, Woo Writers. Where you at, Woo Writers? Let me know. Okay, so after you've got the file, you saved it. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your phone. So let me take a look here and see what we can find. Okay. Yes, I've got all kinds of stuff up. You're going to come over here to my computer. And then you're going to look for your phone. And it better be on here. Let's plug this in again. There we go. Once you see your phone on here, then what you're going to do is you're going to search for it, and it should say the name of your phone. Of course, this one's not coming up because everything's glitching today. That's the way it usually goes. Okay, so we're actually this is lots of fun. All right, here's another way to do it. And I apologize. Oh, hey, Middleburg, Florida. Okay, thank you so much. All right, now I've got another program that I'm going to use. Let's do this. Okay. And once again, it is live, so just want to let you know that. All right, let's do stop screen sharing there. Present, share screen. Come over here, window. This is it. Okay. The next main software that you want to use is called CX File Explorer. You're going to actually see me move a file, and we're going to watch it. So we're going to type in CX File Explorer. It's free. I use free software. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Bing, just like that. Okay, it's free. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your main storage. And this is my preferred way of doing this instead of the cord. It's pretty easy. So we're going to go to main storage. And then I'm going to go here to DSIM, camera. And then I'm going to scroll down. Right? And then this is a UFO I caught last night. Actually, 2 of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy them. Send them over to my network. I know that this is where my network, this computer is called desktop. So I'm going to come over to raw, and then I'm just going to come over and I'm going to set up a new folder. And I know this is really geeky, but podcast. Okay, type in podcast right there. Now I'm going to hit paste. All right. Hey, Moon at Noon, how you doing? Where are you calling from, Moon at Noon? All right. So now I've got my folder. I've got my UFOs from last night. Okay. Now let's try to present this again. Let's go ahead and stop this. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to do the full share screen, entire screen, share. All right. There we go. Let's pull this down here. And I hope that all this is helping you. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right. On my C drive, I set up a raw file right here. I click on that. Here's my podcast. Okay, now how do we watch these videos? Okay, very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a program called SM Player. So let's take a look on where to get that. And the reason why I like SM Player is because it's free and it'll do all kinds of stuff. So let's type this in. SMPLAYER. Okay. Oh, I typed in SN. See, that's me. SM Player. Bam. SM Player, free media player for Windows. We're going to click on that. Then you're going to click download SM Player for free. All right, I've already done that. So let's close this out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this video from last night. Okay, let's pull this up. So SM Player, the good thing about it is we can do all kinds of stuff. There we go. All right. Okay. And of course the audio is out, so not a problem. We're going to do it with another one. That's the way things go around here. Okay. So let's do this. UFO raw. Okay. Let me do this. I'm going to show you my very first UFO. There we go. Right here. UFO seen over Searcy, Arkansas. Bam. All right. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Okay. Okay. What I did was I set up one of my phones. Let me just make sure that this, yeah, I got one of my phones and I put it on a stand. There we go. Actually, let me make this a little bit easier. I know my ADHD is coming out today, ain't it? That's all right. That's the way things go. Okay, let's close that. And all right. There we go. There we go. Okay, thank you so much. Hey, there you go. All right, I don't have to watch replay. That's fine. Thank you, maybe Susie. Okay, so now let me go ahead and present this share screen. And this is going to be a lot better. Okay, SM Player. Bam. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so you're actually seeing my very first UFO. So this is me in Searcy, Arkansas. I'm setting up the camera. And you can see the sun behind me. This is in selfie mode. Okay, right up here, that's the lens flare. You're going to get a lens flare. That just happens. Okay, so we're going to scoot this up. Now this is the sky. This is the sun. All right, the thing that I like most about SM Player, let me make this, I'm going to make this the full screen. Add that there. Okay. Oh. Bam. Okay. So this right here, that's the lens flare. There's the sun. Okay. Now I'm going to go, I've got bookmarks already set up. And if, let's say if I want to see, oh, I don't know, strange object. Oh, look at that. Woo. Okay, now that was going pretty fast, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the pause button and I'm going to use the back arrow. Oh, look at that. It's right there. Right there. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in using the E. I'm going to hit Alt. Okay. Now I'm going to use the greater than or less than to move this thing around and see how quick. Oh, look. That was quick. Now what is this? Every time I see this video, I catch things. I will tell you that this video is on my YouTube channel, Objects and Orbs. Let's go down to the end. This is where it gets really fun. So this is my first MUFON unknown. Oh, look at, oh, hey, look. So these are the planes. Okay. Let's watch these C-130s come down. Here it comes. And stop. You probably didn't see the UFO, did you? All right, not a problem. So I'm going to come over here. Let me bring add stage. All righty. Thank you. That's right. They will never fix lens flare with cameras. That's exactly right, Woo Riders. So what I like to do is I like to aim my lens flare into the sun. All right. So now we're back to this. This is my first MUFON unknown. Okay, I know where it's at because I've been there a million times. Now we're going to do the greater than or less than. Let's zoom in using the E. Oh, look, there's a little something up there anyway. Right here. Okay. I'm going to hit the greater than or less than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Okay, let's go wide on that. I'm going to go back. Just in case you ever forget. Right there. Oop. See that? See how quick that is? Okay. Let's play that again. Go wide on this. All right. There we go. Okay. Here goes. Boom. Let's rewind this back. Good thing is with this is you can rewind back time. And here it comes. Next time I'm going to do this on my gamer computer. I've got a little bit more RAM in there. Okay. And I apologize for this acting up. That happens. Okay. When things act up, you always have to have a backup, right? Okay, so I'm going to have a backup. I'm going to close this out. Boom. All right, and I'm glad you all are still staying with me. I appreciate that. Let's do this. There we go. Here comes the plane. Let's speed it up just a little bit. Let me make sure I'm still sharing. If not, yeah, okay. Here comes the plane, and there's the UFO. So I'm going to use the E. Right, so it's right here. That's where it's at. Okay, so let's close this out, and let's try this. I'm going to try this one more time because I really want you to be able to see it. And I also want us to try to find some stuff. All right. I'll come down here. Let's do this instead. Well, okay. All right. So let's close this one out. And I apologize for this acting up. This is fine. Not a problem. Okay, here's another one. and also in Searcy, Arkansas. Okay, here's a bird. That's not a bird. Okay, well, fine. Okay. Well, now here we are. So let's see. Here we go. I'm going to show you this one. This is my golden object. Right here. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. You're going to love this one. Go wide on this. Okay. There we go. Does this look like it's got a little occupant in it? Maybe. This is actually shot. This is what it looks like here. All right. I'm hitting the back. So I'm going back over here. And here's the thing about this that a lot of people don't understand. Look at this up here. Right up here. So this can't be a Chinese lantern. This right here is what's controlling it. Now, with that in mind, let's go back. Oh, that's so damn. There's 1, 2, and there are 2 red ones, and they're blinking. Okay. This is a very short video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and hit the E button, and then I'm going to hit Alt, and then I'm going to arrow up or down. There we go. So hit the E button again, Alt, bring it up. Okay, now we're going to go step by step. And there we go. All right. And oh, yes. You know what? I really apologize for that share screen. Let's do this one more time. Boom. Okay. Hopefully you can see this now. All right. This is, and you know, this is actually a learning experience for me. Okay. I would love to have a tracking telescope. That would be awesome. Okay. Let's go back over here. Okay. I hope you can see it now. Okay, here we go. And there are 2 red ones, and they're blinking. Okay, see how quick that was? Okay, now I hit the, every time I hit the back arrow, it moves it back 1 second. Okay, let's go wide. There it is. Okay, all right. So this is how you catch them, and this is how you put it in. Now let's, do you want to look at some more? Okay, yep, see now, thank you so much. All right, let's take a look at my other stuff. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Best objects. The blue UFO. Alrighty. Well, here's a picture of it. Okay. Oh, yes. Oop. Here's the one at my mom's house. Let's try this. Okay. There we go. Hey, can you go get my mom? Hey, Mom? We just called that within seconds, and it looks like something interesting. Okay. So I just want to make sure that we're still viewing this, or if not, let me share the screen again. Gee. All right. I'm going to zoom in on this over here. Now, lot of people think that that's a plane. See how the form stays? How the if it was a cloud, why would it stay like that? So I bring my mom out.
Straight out above the tree. You see that white blob?
It's my mom.
In the sky. You see it straight above? Which tree, honey? The middle tree, the big one. This middle one is.
See that white?
See that white thing above it?
Look here what I'm looking at. Look at my phone. What I'm looking at.
All right.
You see that up there?
It's right out there. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We don't know what that is.
I don't either. That just came and I just called it.
He said, is somebody gonna come by tonight? And then we seen that sitting there.
Yeah.
That's not a cloud.
Mm-mm.
Is it?
No.
No. That's Bula Bula. That's something.
Yeah, so that's my mom talking. So yes, I do get witnesses. Alrighty, and thank you. Okay, let's take a look at some of the. Yes, a mothership. Yes. Hey, maybe Susie, sneaking a look at my phone. I'm going to have to watch the replay. Thank you. Woo Riders, of course, and thank you so much, Woo Riders. And thanks for letting me know. All right, and I've got bees out here because I am sitting on the deck. Hello, thank you. All right, so let me try. Let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna see what all. Oh, okay. Yes, this is the experiment experience. Okay, let's do this. Let's go wide. Okay. So the other day, let me just talk a little bit about this. So the other day, it was very clear outside. It was the clearest day I've ever seen, actually. So I decided to do a little experiment because a lot of people in this area think that UFOs are demons. They're not. Um, when I call them, I call UFOs. And basically, what I do is I just say, "Can you show yourself?" And thank you for showing us your colors. And they fly by every time. Every time. Okay. So what I decided to do was to set up all my stuff. I went outside and set up my security camera. What I did was kind of geeky to try to get this video. So do your best to record your security camera with a phone that you're not using. You'll go in there, you're going to hit record. I have a program called Zoomimall, and with that, I just turn it on, open it up, and actually, you know what? Yeah, because I'm very ADHD. Let's try something. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me make sure I have this first before I go nuts. Okay. All right. Zoomimall. Let me go back. So I'm going to share my screen with this. Let's stop screen on that and present. I do have the free version of this, so I'm not able to show you all this stuff. But all right. So my app for my security cam is called Zoomimall. Log in. Okay. Okay, I'm going to run out real quick and make sure that my camera is on. And it does say that it's offline. Okay, not a problem. All right, let's cancel that and let's try. There we go. Okay, so go over here. It is working. So let me share this. Okay, do you see how this is up here? This is what I'm viewing right now. Okay, this is my security cam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to um, set it up to where I'm going to tap it. Do that. Okay, this is my security cam right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit record. Bam, it's recording. Very good. Okay, after it's done recording, I'm going to hit that. Come over here, hit this, and I'm going to download it to CX File Explorer, desktop, C, raw, podcast, save. All right, I just got a couple of seconds of that. Now let's take a look at it. So I'm going to come over here and let me pull it up. Raw, podcast, bam, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to use the arrow. As you can see, look at the top, look at the time. See how it's going by? Okay, there's nothing out there right now. Not a problem. So that's how you can save it and let it record as long as you have battery for. All right, let's put this in here now that I've got this turned up.
We're going to dedicate this to Scotty.
Okay, here we go.
Hello, my name is Les Durant, and I'm in Mineral Bluff, Georgia, and this is our tourist. Let's see if we can call some craft to come by and maybe some angels. We're going to dedicate this to Scotty Newberry.
And this is a guy who thought he was kind of laughing, and it's fine. Oh, and look.
Can you fly by our tourist for me? Just like that. Here you go, Scotty. Let's send this out to the
See right here.
group. See, watch how it goes. See? It's turning now.
Okay, we're going to zoom in on it. So basically what I do is a form of CE5, which is Close Encounters 5, and David Greer is, oh, look, there's a little bit of color in that. All right. So E, okay, Alt, and it is, yeah, there it is. There we go. All right, and sorry about that. Okay, so that's exactly how you zoom in and um, get yourself some craft. Okay, let's go back and go back to this and this. All right, this is what we want to look at. Okay, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to reset the equalizer on this. That's the cool thing about this. It has a video equalizer. Okay, we're going to hit reset. Close. All right, and I'm just going to check on y'all, see how everybody's doing. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. Now, this right here, you can see the time's going by, and you can see the sun. All right. Bam. Here's an interesting one. Let's watch this. Time is 2:52:35, and this comes across. Just like that. Pretty quick. Now, if you didn't see it, that's fine. Go to your bookmark. Unknown. It's right up here. Okay, we're going to zoom in, E. This is just something that I just thought was weird. Interesting. Okay. Go back, browse, bookmarks, angel, right here. Oh, look at this. Let's go back. We're going to let it play. Right there. Let's zoom in. Let's go back and we're going to zoom in on it. Let's go E. We'll go E again. All right. Now let's roll it back. Here's how it worked. Here is how it came out. And it disappeared. So you say, oh, well, heck. All right. Let's zoom in and take a look. Okay. Let's go wide on this. Look at some other stuff. Come over here. We're going to go browse, bookmarks. Ooh, portal. Let's go wide. Hit the space bar. Okay. Browse, bookmarks, portal. Step by step by step. Ah, there we go. E. Alt. And you got to have a quick eye to catch these. Okay, E. Alt. Arrow. Down. Okay, let's go dark a little bit. Come over here to video. Equalizer. Bring this down a little bit. There we go, so we can see it a little bit more. Let's go wide. There it is. Let's watch it go bye-bye. See ya. Okay, one more time. Okay. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see. That's fine. Portal, it's right up here. Go back. There we go. See you later. Woo! See you later. Just like that. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to look at something else. Browse, bookmarks. Here's a craft. Oh, look at this. Now, where is it going? Well, guess where? Into the portal. So, yes, I do have a portal above my house. And a lot of people are like, oh, that's really funny. Or, yeah, maybe you're on meth. No, I'm not on meth. I'm just somebody who watches the sky. Look at this right there. Bam, it's gone. It's gone. So, what do you think? Do I have a portal above my house? Yes, I have two of them actually. So, I'm just letting you know. This is how it's done. This is the way we do it. And let's take a look at some other fun stuff. I'm going to come over here and do this. Okay. All right. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay. Okay, this is called request and dedications. So I'm going to pull this up. Present, share screen, window. So there we go. Okay. All right. Present, share screen, window. There we go. I found it. This is called requests and dedications. I'm just gonna play it. So this craft came as I called it. This video has no edits. You can download it on my Objects and Orbs YouTube channel. Here goes.
Is anybody here who can fly by? Who can see you? You know you're out there. My name is Les. I would like to just be able to see you. I see you just about every night. Can you show yourself to us? I'd like to show the world that you're here.
And it came just like this. Right there.
There's one right there. See that? Right there, just like that. Wow. Wow. Hello.
See how slow that is?
Wow. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Let's send this one out to Deanna. Just like that. There you go. That's Vega. So let's call Vega in the middle there for a minute. That way you know it's not moving. So anything that is moving will look different. Like that. Just like that. Thank you.
Yep. Just like that. All right. So that's how you do it. You just call them and they come. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to um, tell you about it, how to set everything up. And I'm going to keep catching them and I'm going to keep posting them. So it's nice to meet you. Thank you so much for viewing. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to head on out. Happy Father's Day to you. Thanks for the ones who joined me. Thanks for the ones who hung around. So we're going to possibly do a live sky watching and kind of figure that out. So love you. Bye.